Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to invite friends to clan on Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open your app. Click on the Clash of Clan app icon. It will take you to the game. Now click on the arrow. Click on clan. Click on social button. Now click on any friend which you want to invite to your clan. Now click on invite button. So this is how you invite your friend on your clan of Clash of Clan. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.